This is the service elevator at the Student Center Union type building, Westminster College in New Wilmington, Pennsylvania. Oh, this one has the incline traction style panel, but I'm assuming it's another. Yeah, I literally just heard the hydraulic motor. I think 3 and 3 are probably the same floor, but we'll just like that. This is car 15. Here we go. Two does not have a rear opening, but 1 and 3 do. 3. That floor is a regular hallway. That floor goes right to a kitchen. I kind of wondered what on. 88, typical blue Otis style. Well, I don't think it's made by Otis, but it's a basic, tall service elevator cab. Front rear openings. It's not typically a configuration I typically see in Series 1, so it's kind of unique. Here we got 1. Yeah, another kitchen. I think that's more like a prep area. And here's the mail room. Or probably the office for the mail room. Very close, and that's going to be it.